I'm not gonna get nauseous, Jason.
Yeah, you are.
No, I'm not. We are prepared today. It's time for a rematch against the Adventureland Frisbee. I want this spot, it's in the shade. Oh boy. All right, here we go. Oh, see, look, it's like a little armrest. How awesome is that? Might get a little painful on the ride, but yeah. But anyways, we're about to begin the Adventureland Frisbee. This is one of the most intense Frisbees I've ever ridden. Even more intense than the Zamperla Giant Discoveries. This one had some unintended side effects that we had, but anyway, here we go. Faster for a second. Oh man. Live to tell the tale. That was the Adventureland Frisbee, the most intense Frisbee ride I've ever ridden.